Flav gang. Hey guys, how you doing? I know. I've been MIA. I've been MIA big time. But there's a reason for that. I'm not ready to share, but there's a reason for that. So anyways, thank you guys for holding me down. Those of you who know me personally, you know what I'm going through right now. But I wanted to take you guys with me to Publix. Heading there because I wanted to make a video. This video has been highly requested. It's my green juice video. I have a lot of persons that has been reaching out to me, especially on my Instagram, especially with what's going on right now with COVID. This green juice has a lot of alkaline vegetables, fruits and vegetables in it, so it's very easy. I wanted to share with you how I prepare this green juice. It's gonna take you 5 minutes tops, so I'm just gonna put everything in one video: shopping and me actually making the juice. All right. So I'll show you my ingredients that I pick up, and we will go and make this juice together. Like I said, I hope everything is great with you guys. I know these are tough times, and we're all going through something, and I'm going through something really big right now. Like I said, you know, I'll share with you guys maybe my next video, but I just wanted to reach out to let you know you are always in my thoughts and my prayers, and I just want to thank each and every one of you for your continued support. Guys, please be safe, wear your mask, get vaccinated if you believe in it, but life is short. It's very short. So stay tuned. Let's go shopping. I am in Publix. I'm getting the stuff that I need. So you're gonna need pineapples. Usually I would get the pineapple and I cut it myself, but I'm looking and I haven't seen any, so I'm gonna show you the ones that I'm gonna pick up. Okay, they're already pre-cut. They're a little bit more expensive, but I'm gonna just have to do this for right now because that's all they have. All right, that's it. So I grabbed all the ingredients that I'm gonna need for my green juice. I picked up pineapples. Make sure the pineapple is ripe because the pineapple is what will sweeten your juice. I got granny apples. I got kale. Kale is optional. I have ginger. Ginger is also optional. Celery, and I think I said granny apples already. I don't remember. I'm gonna show you guys everything. You will need a juicer because I'm not going to be blending this. I'm not going to be putting this in my bullet. Okay, I'm going to be juicing this. Okay, so you'll need a juicer, and I will catch you when I get home so I can show you and break it down. Very easy, very tasty. I do not do anything that tastes nasty because I will throw up. So I think you have to trust me. So maybe like 5 minutes or 10 minutes ago, I told Bree that I'm outside, that she needed to meet me to help me with the groceries, and I'm just leaving Publix. So you know, says she is gonna be mad. She hates when I do this, but But she takes forever to get downstairs. Who else have this type of problem? Like, you call your child and ask them, meet me outside with the groceries in 2 minutes. You out there to wait 10 minutes and all know them can't show up. So I'm gonna do her one better. I gave her a 10-minute heads up when I wasn't ready. So let's see if she's gonna be aggravated with me. Watch her Brianna is mad. She out there wait. They're on Bree. Say hi to the Flav gang. How long were you out here waiting?
Like 10 minutes. I'm tired of this telling me to come and she's not here.
For once she in our mask. I wanna keep. Alright, let's do this. I'll get back with you guys when I get in the house so we can make this juice.
A few moments later.
Alright, Flav gang, I am back. Made it upstairs in one piece. So like I said, we're gonna make some green juice. And I promise you, it not tastes bad. Alright? So for your green juice, you're gonna need celery. Remember, make sure you wash all of your fruits, all your vegetables. So these are already washed. I have pineapples over here, celery, cucumbers, however you say, cucumber, however you say it, same thing. Kale. The kale is optional because I know a lot of persons do not like kale. It don't have to be there. And what else I have in here? Ginger and granny apples. And I already have everything pre-cut. You will need a juicer. This one is NutriBullet. I recently got this one. Before I had a Breville and it was just too bulky, so I kind of like this. What I don't like about it is extremely loud and it's like very powerful, so whatever, it gets the job done. So I have a little jug here that if this gets full or too full, I'll just stop for a second and transfer. All right, so you want to use yours at low because I think that would be fine. So we're just gonna start. I don't want this to spill over, so let me just transfer this right here. It will create a little mess, that's fine. Let's see if we can get this. Is Jesus. What is man? This one is so big. Size that I put the apples. Smells so good, especially when I added the ginger, because you know the ginger gives it that kick. Woo. Woo. All right. Now let's do the pineapple. So the pineapple is what will sweeten your juice. Without the pineapple, God go, I don't know. So if you're allergic to pineapple, I don't know about this, but this is my go-to green juice recipe. It's super easy. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box below. So now what you want to do is just kind of stir this, and then I always put them in my mason jar. But give me a second, let me just clean up really fast. Let me just move this out of my way. Because you will get some type of leakage from your thing, and I forgot my spoon. So you just want to kind of stir it just to make sure you get everything in there. I typically don't make this and have it sitting, so I'll make whatever I need for that day. Okay, and I'll put them in my mason jars and take them with me to work, or you know, whatever. So I have some mason jars here. We're just gonna go ahead and pour. My handicap in us. All right, one Tanisha, yes, girl. All right. Super refreshing. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. You're trying to lose some weight, you're trying to eat cleaner, you just want to, 3, whoops! Overachiever. I'm just gonna have this one. Super good. Super good. So like I was saying, I'll make enough for what I need for that day, because I don't like to have it sitting. And it's super easy. Once you prep your fruits and your vegetables, you're good. All right, so enjoy. Whenever you make this, make sure that you leave a comment and let me know how you like it. Remember, if there's one particular ingredient that you do not care for, you can always substitute it for something else. All right, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I know this was a short video, but I truly hope you enjoyed it. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the notification bell. Big up all of my Flav gangs. I miss you guys. I love you guys, and thank you so much for your continued support.